Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing ID, phone, and a payment method. This speeds verification. Open the Binance app and create an account, then enable two-factor authentication or biometrics for security. Once done, complete KYC by uploading your ID and a live selfie. Binance checks documents to unlock deposits and trading limits. After verification approval, link your bank or card under Wallet Fiat and make a small test deposit to confirm connectivity before you move on to trading features. Now fund your account. Choose bank transfer for lower fees or card for speed and review deposit limits. You can also use P2P for local payment methods. Once funded, explore the Markets tab, use Convert for instant swaps or Spot for limit and market orders. If you plan leverage, review futures with caution and set margin rules. Make a watch list and create price alerts so you don't miss moves. Practice placing a small limit order to understand order execution before scaling up. To finish trades, actively monitor positions and use stop-loss and take-profit orders to manage risk. Rebalancing periodically keeps your strategy aligned with goals. When withdrawing, choose the correct network, paste wallet addresses carefully, send a small test transfer, and confirm fees displayed. If something goes wrong, failed deposit, stuck verification, or missing funds, first check KYC status and app notifications, then verify network explorers and blockchain confirmations. If unresolved,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.